One particularly disturbing rumor involved the asylum's bell tower. Locals claimed that the doctor, driven mad by his own experiments, had not taken his own life, but had instead been pushed from the tower by the spirits of his victims, their vengeance echoing in the tolling of the bell. Whether true or simply the product of local folklore, these stories added another layer of horror to Poveglia's already grim history. The island, once a place of physical confinement, had become a repository for fear itself, a place where the line between reality and nightmare blurred with every passing year. The bell tower, once a symbol of hope, now stood as a sinister sentinel, its shadow stretching across the island like a curse.